If you're seeing the feature content is turned off message on your Photos widget in iPhone, this typically indicates that the option featured photos has been disabled in your settings. Here's how you can resolve this issue and get your Photos widget to display featured content. Solution 1. Enable featured content in Photos. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap on Photos. Scroll to the bottom until you see the option called Show Featured Content. Toggle the switch to On. This will allow your Photos app to display memories and featured photos in the widget. Now open the Photos apps, tap Profile, enable all the settings, like Shared Album Activity, scroll down. Also, enable Show Feature Content, scroll down, tap Reset Suggested Memories. After that, restart your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the Photos widget not displaying featured content on your iPhone. If the problem persists, you may want to reset your photo settings or reach out to Apple support for further assistance.